morning. Have you been looking for a YouTube channel that will teach you to knit and crochet and teach you how to correct those mistakes that you're probably going to make along the way? Then hit subscribe, because on this channel I want to show you not only how to knit and crochet, but also how to take your beginner skills and make beautiful patterns that people are going to ask, where did you buy that? Not, oh, did you make that? If you can believe it, knitting and crocheting run in my family. My personal experience is over 20 years, and in the last 10 years, I've been teaching and learning how to fix the mistakes that come along while you're learning to knit. On most YouTube channels, you're not going to have, oh, this is a mistake, this is how you correct it. Most of my students come to me because they started on YouTube, but then they didn't know how to correct a mistake, so I want to show you how to do that. Would you do me a favor? I want to release all my pattern tutorials right here on YouTube for free, but I need to hit 1,000 subscribers first. Won't you please share me with your friends and help me get to that goal sooner? I'd appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll hit subscribe because this is going to be a lot of fun.